Yo, what's good, everybody? How we doing? Let's see. Good evening, Nova Tales, Son of Wall Street, Miss K, Casper. How you doing? Adam, a Telegram. Who else is here? Sovereignty, Trader 007, Adam Daz. How we doing, guys? Corey. Freddie, how we doing? Chris Trades, how we doing? Hi, Yoshi. You new here? Oh, welcome, brother. Welcome. How was your guys' trading day? Let me know in the chat. I sat in one trade pretty much all day long. I sat in one trade all day long. I think I was long from the open on the little pullback. I tried it once. I got stopped out. Pretty much break even. I took a little profits on it on the first pullback on the open this morning. Let's see here. Where were we at? Oh yeah, we were back down here. On this little snap down, I got stopped out on my long that I was long pre-market. And then I re-entered when I saw it hold above the 800 level and sat in that thing all day. Sat in that thing all day. So, and then I got out of the trade. I think I got out at like 27,040, somewhere around in here. Or maybe actually it was like right around in here. It was around 2 o'clock. So I got out around 2 o'clock or so, and then I went and mowed the lawn and did a few other things. But yeah, it was one of those all-time high grind days. I mean, that's what happens on all-time high, guys. Like that's typical all-time high price action. So yeah, what's up, Tim? How are you? Marhan, how are you? Cash, Kevin, who else is here? Who's shown up? J Love, how we doing? Adam K, how we doing? Ericim, how do you enter the giveaway? You'll see here shortly. You'll see here shortly. So the deal tonight, guys, we're giving away every free account that we have this evening. So in other words, there will be no more free account. There will be no more giveaway streams for at least a couple weeks. All right. We have 4 accounts to give away. And then that's it. That's all we have. That's everything we've got. So this will be the last giveaway stream for a little while. Hopefully you guys still tune in regardless, but this is every free account that we have to give away. We're going to give it away all tonight. We're going to run 4 marbles races this evening. Each winner of the winner from each of those races will be the winner of an account. I'm not sure what size the accounts are. Mason's got all that stuff on his end. So, after tonight, there will be no more giveaway streams for a while. So, good luck tonight. Mason, actually, if you want to go ahead and start the marbles registration, !marbles in the chat. I don't know what size account it is. They are all Lucid accounts. Mason's going to have to let me know exactly which account he's giving away, because I have no idea. On my end, I have no clue. So I don't know what size they are. I have no idea. Start small with a 25K Pro. Okay. All right. So the first one is going to be for a 25K Pro, apparently. !marbles in the chat whenever Mason starts the marbles. Make sure you guys go ahead and type that in. Thanks, BB Rich. I appreciate you. Yeah, I think the giveaways are actually hurting my channel. I know that seems weird to say, but I think they're actually hurting the channel. I've seen a slow, not just a slow decline, a rapid decline in the amount of viewers. The analytics are not looking great on the YouTube side of things right now. Put it this way, guys. Normally, we pick up about 200 to 300 subs a week. And this week, we've picked up 13. 13 new subscribers this week. So, we haven't cracked 1,000 views on any live stream in a long time. And it could just be that time of year. I don't know what the explanation is. But one of the possible explanations is the fact that we're doing giveaways every single stream. So, we're going to get rid of everything that we got tonight. And it will just be trading for the rest of this month at a bare minimum on stream. So, I think people are tuning in. They see the marbles going on. They tune in expecting trading or at least some market analysis, and they're getting marbles. Does that make sense? Go ahead and get those. We're going to leave that registration window open for a minute or two here. Let everybody get you a chance to get in. !marbles in the chat. This one is for a 25K Pro Lucid account. Go ahead and get your entries in, and we'll go ahead and run that race. The winner of the race will receive the 25K Pro account. All right, we'll leave that registration window open for another, I don't know, 30 seconds or so, and then we're going to close it down. So make sure you get your entries in. Oh, gosh, guys, I don't know how it is where you are with the pollen, but I'm not going to lie. Cutting the lawn today wrecked my allergies. So if I start sneezing or something, you'll know what's going on. My eyes feel all puffy, watery, itchy. What's up, J-Rod? Yeah, thanks, Miss K. Yeah, guys, if you could, smash that like button. That really does go a long way to help push the content out to other people. Marhan, same. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I normally don't deal with allergies all that bad, but man, I was out there cutting the grass, and I swear I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe. Yeah, J-Rod, it could be. It could be. I don't know what the reason is. Like, I don't know how the YouTube algorithm works. All I know is that for 7 months, we were I mean, we were getting 1.5, 2K views a night, and all of a sudden we're at like 600. That's a massive drop. Massive drop in viewership. And unfortunately, like, you have to play the YouTube game. You got to figure out what works and what doesn't if you want the channel to grow. So, I mean, you guys chatting it up in the during the live streams helps. Obviously, comments on videos help. Likes on videos help. I don't know to what extent, but they do help. Yeah, Teargram. I saw the guy who's streaming on Rocket Scooter at night. I mean, he's just another dude. Yeah, I know all the big guys have channels now that are streaming at night. So maybe what I need to do is just pivot to regular trading hours. Maybe I need to just bite the bullet and pivot to regular trading hours. I don't know. I don't know what the answer is. Try to stream 1 day a week during the PM session. Yeah, BB. I mean, we tried RTH at the beginning of this year. It didn't work out so well, but maybe it's time to just bite the bullet. I mean, we pretty much got the same amount analytics-wise views during RTH as we've been getting on during the night sessions. So I need to start full porting yellow. Maybe I mean, J-Love, that's true. I mean, that's what people like to see. Even if you're a bad trader, they like to see you blowing up accounts and YOLOing. They like to see size. They like to see big numbers, whether it's red or green. They don't care. They just want to see somebody either losing their entire life savings or making bags, you know? People don't care. They want to see you breaking monitors and swearing a lot, acting a fool. All right, entries are now closed, guys. We're going to give Mason a minute or two to get everything all set up. And this first race, we'll get it going and get the lucky winner of the marbles race, a 25K Lucid Pro account. Rent a Lambo and do a chart video. It's just not me, you know? I mean, I'm one of you guys. I don't make millions of dollars every year. I don't. That's all there is to it. I mean, today total I made $900. I was only trading a couple micros, but $900 today. Rakes 365. So rake trade. So yeah, so everybody's starting to do 24-hour streams on their channels. They just have multiple talents doing it. Yeah, it's tough out here. It's tough out here. Yeah, BB Rich, it was a good day. Like I said, I sat in a trade all day. I sat in a long position all day long. Yeah, the problem with all like the big guys in the space is they're trying to monopolize it. So like it's going to be really hard, especially for like people that are starting to stream now. It's going to be really hard to get any kind of analytics because the same people tune into all the big streamers, you know. It's going to be hard to grow. Yeah, Cash, 900 on a micro today. It was a big trade. It was a big trade. I was able to add on some dips. So, micros are the way to go right now, guys. Micros are the way to go. J-Love, at most, it was 4. At most, it was 4. I took the core off, really, once we hit 27K on that first time we hit 27K. I took, like, 3 of them off and just left a runner. And I think I took the final one off at 27,040. I saw this kind of rejection off right at 27,050, and this is when I took it off. You were in a sell for 2 hours to get break even. Shorts, like, like, look, the short is going to come eventually, right? I don't know when it's going to happen, but I can tell you this much, guys. Like, there is nothing in any of the higher time frame charts right now that's telling me to short this market. Like, really, until we get a decent sized pullback and we start to see some of these levels start rejecting, like, and start putting in higher time frame trend to the downside, I'm not going to be shorting this market. I'm going to be looking to buy every dip. Because, yes, it's been a huge bull run, right? Like, it's been a huge bull run. But the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So the odds are in your favor, both throughout history and currently right now on one of the bigger bull runs we've ever seen. The odds are going to be in your favor to buy the dips. Buy those lows. Yeah, you're going to be wrong sometimes. Yeah, you're going to take losses, but you're still going to be in the right spot to catch the big trade. NQ to 30,000 this week? It's possible. I don't know about this week, but I mean, we could go to 30K. Like, here's the thing that I'm seeing right now, guys, is ES is lagging behind. YM is kind of lagging behind a little bit. So NQ's at that spot where I don't know if NQ's kind of leading right now, heading into all the earnings season and everything. So we'll see what happens. We've got FOMC next week, I believe. Is it next week or is it this week? I can't remember. We do have FOMC coming up. So, I mean, we'll see what happens with the interest rate. I think that'll be a big tell. Obviously, earnings season, seeing what the earnings are for all big tech. Yeah, Cash. I mean, the rug's going to get pulled at some point, right? Like, it's going to get pulled at some point. I just don't know when that is. So until I start seeing all, levels getting churned through to the downside, retests of the levels from below, and hard rejections off of them, I'm going to be looking to buy dips. All right. Let's see if Mason's got this race up and ready. It looks like he's ready to go. So let me get this first marbles race up. And we'll find out who the winner is for this 25K Lucid Pro account, guys. It looks like it's one of those Max Carnage maps. So good luck, everybody. Mason, whenever you're ready, go ahead and drop those marbles. Oh, hold on. All right. Mason's going to have to do some camera work now with our new stream setup here. Oh, boy. I didn't even realize. I forgot all that would be in the way. All right, we're off, guys. 25K Lucid Pro account on the line. Spamming one will make your marble go faster. Hopefully you guys brought the grease out tonight. Good luck, everybody. All right, Tim out to an early lead, putting quite the gap on the field. Can he stay on the track, though? That's the thing. And I see the rocket booster himself, Laugh at Life, there. Here goes Laugh at Life, flying down the track again. Trying to catch Mason's... Oh, just barely stayed on the track. Laugh at Life is hauling. Oh, here comes the rest of the pack. Laugh at Life getting really slowed up here. All right, Domini now in first and Vangian in second. What's going on? I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, no. Stay on the track. Oh, no. Who was the winner? All right, Vangian, you are the winner of a 25K Pro Lucid account. Congratulations. I couldn't tell who was going to win. Tim, you were so close. So close. Vanjian, congratulations. After the race is finished here and everybody finishes up, Mason will coordinate the giveaway with you in the chat. So just pay attention to the chat and look out for mock dash level up in the chat. Oh my goodness. Pure carnage. Absolute carnage. Oh. Hooped it. Just short. Short-armed it. It's crazy. Futures chart chill. What does 1 do? Well, we say it makes your marble go. It gives your marble a speed boost. But it really does nothing. It's just for chat engagement. You see my chat? Yeah, you should see the chat. We have the chat on stream now on purpose. So Vanjian, congratulations. You are the winner of the 25K Pro Lucid account. All right, let's get this out of here. Let's go back. Let's go back to the charts. All right, we're heading up. I am interested in a scalp short up in through here if we don't run prior day's high and reject. I'm not opposed to trying a short back down to this swing high right here. So 27,050 would be my target. I'm not opposed to that. If we get the break and retest and want to keep trudging on up towards 200, I'm not opposed to taking the long from up there either. So here's what I'm looking at right now, guys. I'm looking at either the move up with failure here around 120 or just above 120. Short entry right here would be my short. For the short back down to here. Also, the other move would be the break, the retest, and the ripper. So those are the two moves that I'm looking at right now. I'm going to wait for this sideways action to work itself out. It looks like we haven't fully filled the gap down just yet. It's just above 100. Let's see here. ES. Really got nothing on ES. ES has been kind of just slow. YM's looking like a decent long right now. Decent long up towards this resistance. Gold's kind of in no man's land for me. And then oil's kind of at pretty strong support. I like a 92 buy. I mean, if we hold this area, the long looks good back up into... I mean, really, who knows? Casper, you're long 85.50. Yeah, I mean, Delta's still putting it. Delta's still positive. You have some signs of exhaustion up here. But I do think that we do push back above 100 at least once. So I would like to see... that move. What kind of what I drew out over there. I'd like to see the test up into here. And see if we can get either buyers to push through and go higher up towards 200. Or if we can get the rejection from that area. Dosed. Any giveaways? Yeah, we're doing giveaways tonight. We're doing 3 more giveaways this evening. 3 more. What's up, Martin? How are ya? Yeah, new look on the stream. All right, kind of putting in like a 5-minute doji there off of 100. Man, it's slow tonight. Again. See what happens at the Asia Open. I guess that's still 30 minutes away. I mean, we still got some bigger orders resting above. We do have some interest to the downside now, down below 900. Martin, no, I cut my trade. I took profits at 27,040. All right, we got 100 people in here right now. Guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you haven't yet for me. We do have 3 more accounts to give away. I don't know what size accounts they are, all Lucid. Dose, I guess you'll just have to hang around and find out how you do the giveaway. That's the other thing that giveaways do, guys. Just to give you a heads up, and why YouTube I don't think likes them is because people come in to type in the command and then leave. That's another thing. They pop in for a minute. What's up, Diego? How are you? They pop in for 1 minute, type in the command, and then leave. You'll never leave me, Sammy. Nice. Thanks. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. All right. Are we going to get the push above 100, or are we just going to sell off? Below the prior day close, I don't mind a short from 80. Short from 80, back down into like 27,040-ish, somewhere around in here. I'd prefer it to come up here first, but I don't know that we're going to get that. You full tilted a $3,100 payday on Lucid? Congratulations. Hey, what's up, Spaces? How are ya? Yeah, Spaces, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. All right, maybe we get that move back above 100 here. Charles, no, I haven't traded with Top Step since last year. I don't trade with Top Step anymore. Mr. Baby, if you like the new layout, yeah, we spent hours. I know it doesn't look like much, guys, but we spent hours doing the whole stream setup last night, changing everything. Yeah, Martin, me too. I'm kind of, it could still happen, right? Like we're still waiting on the Asian market opens, the top of the hour here. So it still could change. A-Trades, it looks nice. You like this one? Yeah, the setup is nice. It's nice. We're finding little tiny things like the marbles race now. The chat has to be on top of everything in order to show it. And we have to put like a black background because on my monitor, guys, if you remember right, there's chart space over there where that's sitting. So we have to put sources layered on top of each other in order to get it the way that it looks right now. So we might have to figure something out. It's a work in progress, but I think it looks pretty good. There will be lots of changes coming to the stream soon. Charles, you got a couple accounts from them with no activation, $20 off. Nice. Nice. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. Like, there's nothing wrong with Top Step. It's just it was just a personal thing, right? Like, I left them when they forced everybody onto Top Step X. That's when I left. When they said no more trading on any other platforms at all, you have to trade on Top Step X. That's when I jumped ship. Limitless. Yeah, J Love, I don't know if it's going to come back there. I don't know if it's going to come back to key level. My level that I'm reading right now is going to be right here for obvious reasons, right? A-Trades. Oh, you left when they forced everybody on top. Yeah, I just, you know, you should be able to trade on whatever platform you want to trade on. You shouldn't be forced to deal with that, right? You shouldn't be, nobody should force you. Oh, J-Love, you're asking why you have the chat? Why we have the chat? Because I guess Mason kind of answered it there. Because we're streaming on multiple platforms now, everybody can see what everybody's chatting, and that's the purpose of it. So you guys can see if somebody's chatting on Kick or on Twitch, which if you haven't yet, we are streaming live on Kick and Twitch now as well. We are live currently on both those platforms. So if you have an account on either one of those platforms, please go give us a follow. I would appreciate it. But that's why. Just so everybody can communicate with each other. If you're viewing it on YouTube, if you're viewing it on Kick, if you're viewing it on Twitch, you can see all those accounts in one space, or all those chats in one space. What's up, Ricardo? How are you? All right, well, while we're waiting for the market to move, because it's doing its typical, we're going to just sit here for an hour while you're streaming live. Let's do another giveaway, I guess. Mason, go ahead and open up the registration window. I'm not sure what account size this is for, guys. Mason will have to figure that out. Exclamation point marbles in the chat to enter into the race. It looks like this is another 25K Pro account. So exclamation point marbles in the chat to enter into the race. Winner of the race will receive the 25K Pro account. Go ahead and get your entries in. I'm going to go kick a fan on real quick. You know how you guys always see, like you drive around neighborhoods, you see guys out there mowing their lawn or whatever, and they've got the masks on so they're not breathing in everything. I never fully understood it until right now. Because today I literally felt like I couldn't breathe outside. Like I could not breathe. My allergies are shot. Watery eyes. All right, guys, we'll leave that registration window open for another minute or so. Exclamation point marbles if you're just tuning into the stream. If you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me. Oh, this has to be frustrating if you're in a trade right now. You can't get the market to move at all. Casper, if you're still here, this reminds me of our Globex sessions from a couple years ago. Mine, yours, and Mason's Globex sessions. Where we were just playing poker. Guys, Christopher Barrowy, Mason, and myself used to sit here during Globex. We would be playing poker on Discord, and Casper, Christopher, would have his chart zoomed in like this, right? He'd have his candle so big, and then there would be a 2-point move, and he'd be like, "Whoa, why is the market flying around?" Because the candle would print off the screen. I would be like, "What do you mean? We've moved 2 points." Yeah, this is bad. This is bad price action. We're also coming up on summertime, guys. I mean, I don't know if you guys have, some of you are newer to trading and you haven't traded through a summer yet. Price action does typically slow down a little bit. Last summer was a little bit different because of you know, Trump and everything. And it still could be the same this year, but typically summer price action does dull down a little bit. You know, you've got vacations happening. It does slow down quite a bit during the summer. Good recovery, 44. Sell in May and go away, Casey. Yeah, it does die out a little bit during summer, and then it'll pick back up, you know, late August, early September. But the summer months are kind of slower. A lot more sitting and waiting around. For the record, still have yet to win a poker game, he says. All right, guys, 10 seconds and we're going to close down that marbles registration window. You think Donnie should keep it interesting, Martin? We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, obviously, talks with Iran are going to be a big thing. You're going to have earnings season. But after this earnings season goes away, and after FOMC's done, generally like mid to late May, the markets kind of slow down a little bit usually. But we'll see what happens. Maybe they'll surprise us. Maybe we will get the pump to 30K on the Nas. Who knows? All right, guys. Entries are going to be closed right now. Mason, go ahead and close down that registration window. You already did it. All right. We'll have 2 more races after this race, guys, so stick around. You'll still have more opportunities to win if you don't win this race, or if you didn't have the opportunity to get in. We're going to give Mason a minute or two to get the race all set up, and we'll go ahead and run that race while we're waiting. Dominic's trying to get the head start. He's already going at the ones. Already going at the ones. But yeah, guys, we're giving away every account that we have tonight. We have 4 accounts left to give away, and then that'll be it for a little while on the channel. At least until next month. Diego, I will win. Come on, Naz, just go up to that like 120 area. 120, 125. That's what I want to see. Versus one daily. Well, first of all, it's a lot of work on Mason's end to do the races and get the verifications done and everything that has to happen. He lives in the UK, by the way, guys. So it's going on 1 a.m. his time right now. So definitely GG's for Mason in the chat. Give him a big thank you for doing this each and every night. But we think the giveaways are actually hurting the channel more than they're helping. It's a lot of work to do the giveaways as well. So we're gonna give away. We give away every free account that we get, right? Like the way that we get free accounts is by you guys using code WES. This month has been a little bit slower, obviously. So we don't have as many accounts to give away anymore as well. On top of that, Mason is like 21. He doesn't need sleep. Everybody needs sleep, Martin. But yeah, I don't know that YouTube necessarily likes having giveaways every single stream, right? Because inevitably what happens is people come in, they type in the command, and then they leave, right? So the view time is like 3 seconds. And we've tried to limit that by doing it the way that we do it, but it's not, numbers are just way down on the YouTube side of things. So we're just going to try something a little bit different. Maybe here pretty soon, you guys might see some RTH streams rather than so many Globex streams. We're going to start doing some different stuff. We're going to start producing some more long-form content. So there's going to be some changes to the channel. You know, stuff that we've wanted to do for a long time, but just haven't had time. We're also working on our indicator suite, you know, getting that side of things all sewn up and ready to get out. So lots of things happening behind the scenes as well. Since it hurts you, I am lucky, I guess, because I have not won anything, Charles. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Ethan, we'll see. It's already, the channel's already bigger than I thought it would ever get, to be fair, right? Like, I'm not a professional streamer. My trading is very slow and patient, so it's not what you typically see on YouTube, right? You know, I'm not breaking monitors. I'm not swearing up a storm during my streams. I'm not having huge profits. Although streaming during RTH, you'll see a little different side of my trading because I'm a little more aggressive during RTH than I am, obviously, during Globex, where price isn't moving around a whole lot. So I think streaming during RTH will show you a different side, but I'm not going to be putting up the numbers that all these other guys are. Guys, I don't make $10,000 a month off my affiliates. You know, regular trading hours dose. So New York session. Yeah, I don't make tens of thousands of dollars off my affiliates every month. So I can't afford to, this is what I do for my job. I can't afford to just throw on 5 minis and let it ride, you know? I also can't afford to just rifle through prop firm accounts either. So, but he wins more than the Detroit Tigers. Oh, jeez. You're gonna take a stat. You're gonna take a shot at my team, Jeff? I don't even know what their record is. I have no idea. It's too early in the baseball season for me to care. What was the bad word? Shucks. All right, let's see if Mason's got that marbles race ready to go. Let me go ahead and hide our little special border here. All right. Looks like he's got the race ready to go. All right, everybody. This is race number 2, so this will be the second 25K Pro Lucid account that we are going to be giving away this evening. Good luck, everybody. Mason, whenever you're ready. Oh, he went with old reliable track for this one. Good luck, everybody. And we are off. Where's the leaderboard? Here, let me see. I'm going to have to hide a bunch of things. Let's hide this. Let's hide this. Is that better? Oh, there goes Jay Styles. Oh, no. All right, Diana. Diana out to the early lead with Candlebreaker in second. Godzilla FX in third. J Trades in fourth. Here comes J Trades, putting on the speed boost. Oh, I just got yeeted, guys. I see my name down there. I just got yeeted. Oh no! All right, Candlebreaker up there to the lead with Diana in a close second. JT 32 in third, 44 in fourth. Things can change drastically towards the end of this race, guys. So do not think you're out of it. Don't think you're out of it. Oh, candle breaker getting through clean. There goes JT. Oh, JT's going to get through clean. And here's where the race gets interesting. Oh, JT's actually getting through there relatively quickly. That's kind of the cleanest I've seen somebody. Oh, no. Oh, no. Candle Apostle. Candle Apostle still with the lead. Wow, Sid really got through clean on that record run, didn't he? All right, Candle Apostle getting a little slowed up. Is anybody going to catch up? Tenor in second. Tenor in second. How far behind it? Oh, no. Tenor. Oh, no. Candle Apostle coming down the home stretch. Coming down the home stretch. Candle Apostle is going to be your winner, guys. Candle Apostle, you are the winner of a 25K Lucid Pro account. Tenor in second. Tenor, you were so close. Oh, goodness. All right. Oh, no. Oh, FP, there you go. FP getting yeeted. Absolutely yeeted. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's too funny. It's too funny. Oh no, all my wheels gonna get lit up. All right. All right, Candle Apostle, congratulations. You are the winner of that 25K Lucid Pro account. Mason will be coordinating the giveaway with you in the chat. Oh, J-Rod, it's hilarious. It's hilarious. Because you know coming down that home stretch, there's one track where the little blockades pop up at the end and seem to always wreck people right before they cross the finish line. You know they're just wanting to break a monitor at that point. They're wanting to wreck things. It's hilarious. All right, congratulations, Candle Apostle. Mason will coordinate that with you. All right, let's get chart background back up. Let's get the chat box back up. Let's get the border back up. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, I see we still haven't moved. We got top of the hour coming up here in about 5 minutes, guys. So just be patient. We might get... You just had a banana pudding shake from Whataburger? TradeX investing. Why were you not in there? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let me see if... Let me see. Mason, was TradeX investing in there? Not in there. Yeah, I'm not sure. Mason is the only one who can tell you if you were in the race or not. We have 2 more races, TradeX. So you'll have more opportunity, I promise you. Yeah, any questions about entries, guys, or anything like that, you're going to have to direct to Mason, mock-level up in the chat. Because I don't have any control on my end over any of it. It's out of my hands completely. I'm a spectator just like you guys. All right, let's see what happens at the top of the hour here. Let's see if we can get a nice little boost up into that 120 area. I would be interested in the shorts forming up here if we do find some sellers. In fact, I'm going to click over to the order flow chart so we can see what's happening. We're kind of putting in a small resistance right here at 100, but it's still majority buying on Delta on the order flow. So we're going to see what happens here. Wigwam, you had to do the confirmation a couple times. Yeah, I just don't know how I don't know how quickly the bot keeps up. And I don't know if other streamers deal with the same issue or not. I have no idea. No, Chris Trades, we don't have Whataburger here. That's a southern thing. That's like a Texas thing. I don't know where Whataburger is in the country, where they have Whataburger in the country. What do we have here in the Midwest that would be similar to Whataburger? What would be closest to Whataburger? Steak and Shake would be closest, I guess, to a Whataburger around here. Or like a Sonic, I guess would be as close as it comes. Culver's. Yeah, maybe Culver's, I guess. I don't ever eat there, Chris. Just to give you a heads up. What actually, chat? What is your favorite fast food joint? What's your favorite place to eat fast food wise? I don't eat a whole lot of fast food, but when I do, it's probably like Chick-fil-A. It's probably what I eat the most of fast food wise. It's probably Chick-fil-A. The spicy chicken deluxe is goated. Absolutely goated. All right, top of the hour. And we got 3 points of movement. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Pollo Loco? I've never heard of Pollo Loco. Martin, what's the best? Kick is probably so. Like, for, like, if you guys are super chatting or doing memberships or whatever, I think Kick is the best for that. Just because they don't take as much percentage wise from you. YouTube takes a huge amount. Like, they take 30% off the top from any super chats, and then if you do like a super chat or purchase a membership, or anything like that off an iOS device, Apple takes another 30%, and then obviously Uncle Sam takes 30%, right? So like Kick, I believe we keep like 95% of anything. So like, if you guys are looking to support the channel, that's probably where it would benefit best. There's nothing you can do right now because we don't have enough followers over there or enough stream time, but here pretty soon we will have enough stream time to do it. So pretty soon that option will be there. But yeah, like super chats on YouTube, like say you do a super chat for $20, right? We maybe get to keep, when all is said and done, I don't know, like $13 out of the 20. You know? And then obviously if you purchase off an iOS device, that's another percentage, and then obviously you got to pay the tax man. So yeah, like the channel itself, affiliates aside, right? The channel itself earns less than $400 a month. Oh, it's okay, Chris. Like, look, it's super. Like, I appreciate everything you guys do. I'm never gonna sit there and like say no, don't do that, right? No, don't donate to my channel. I appreciate the donos. You know, it means a lot. But just so you guys understand, like the backside financial side of it, like that's what happens. What's up, T for Keeps? You gotta get a Kofi. Drop your Zelle info. No, guys. I mean, I don't. It's not like that, right? It's not like that. But I do like you don't. For those of you that ever thought about streaming, if you're just going off of YouTube, you don't make much. The big guys do. The big guys make good. Probably make, you know, I would say you get up around to that 100K mark without affiliates or anything like that. I would say their channels are probably making 4 to 5K a month, you know, off of ad revenue. I would probably say somewhere around there. Then again, we also have our ads set to the lowest setting possible so that hopefully you aren't getting just spammed with ads throughout everything. We have it on the lowest setting we possibly can so that people aren't getting spammed with a bunch of ads. All right, we're short, guys. I'm going to target this wick here. Actually, we'll target right here. See if we can get a nice little push down. What's up, Uncapped Traders? How are ya? If this wants to flip and not continue to the downside, I'll take the stop out right here, just above 100, and reevaluate. Yoshi, I trade all 50Ks. All my accounts are 50Ks. The TP is your stop loss. I mean, we'll see what we get. We'll see what happens here. The only thing I'm not a fan of is I don't know that we fully filled the gap yet. So it might still pop up there. So I'll take that 25-point stop on 1 micro if it wants to pop one more time. I'd like to see some sort of pullback on this market at some point, right? I don't know about you guys, but I want to see a bigger dip than what we've been getting recently. Maybe it comes Friday. Maybe it happens Friday this week. See, now we have, on the 1 minute, we have signs of exhaustion down here at these lows, right where my entry is. J-Love, we kind of gapped down a little bit off the open. You can see it right here. And I don't know that I don't know that we fully filled it. There's a little bit of space here just above 100 that might need to get traded. I want to say we at least run this low, come down into this little support area, this lower time frame support area just below 70. All right, this is where we could see a bounce, so I'm going to go ahead and lock some profits in here at 70. Nice sell-off, nice sell-off, nice sell-off. All right, we're trailing, we're trailing, we're trailing. Come get me. Come get me. Ah, there we go. All right, we're out. All right, so we made $77 on 1 micro. Oh man, I should have held. Probably should have held down to this support, to tell you the truth. Pivot, pivot. Have you guys ever watched Friends? That's one of the greatest television scenes of all time. I think when all the boys are trying to carry the couch up the stairs in their apartment complex in New York City. Nice sell-off. Man, I should have held. I didn't see that coming. Didn't see that coming. Guys, we might be going back to 900. I think J-Love was right. Adam Taz, pivot. Pivot! It is one of the greatest scenes of all. It is. It is funny. Pivot! Yeah, I should have held. I mean, this is aggressive selling too, guys. This is the most aggressive selling we've seen in quite some time. To be perfectly honest. This is, I mean, I really don't have anything now that we've failed that 100 level all the way until back below 800 as far as any kind of support, like real support structure is concerned. Could be a nice move down, guys. Extraordinary Cave Trader. It was just 1 micro. I really didn't get the ad. I was kind of hoping for a little more upside for the ad, and then the sell-off happened so fast that I really didn't have time to do much of anything. Didn't even have time to like reevaluate and like move my take profit down. All right, we finally have some profit taking, guys. Like, I think that's what's happening right now, is we finally have some profit taking. Because NQ, if you notice, NQ was the only one that was pushing all-time highs today. ES was lagging behind. It couldn't take its all-time high. Wow, nice sell-off. Wow, did I leave a lot on the table here. All right, we probably get some sort of a bounce here in that 50 to 60 range. I would imagine after that big of a drop. So let's see if it wants to bounce here a little bit. You guys are going to have to tell me if there was some crazy news headline. All right, I'm long. Am I long? Yes, I'm long. All right, with how heavy this is, though, I need to be kind of careful. Go ahead and go break even because I want this to be quick. Oh, we're getting a little action. All right, I'm out. I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, this is aggressive, guy. This is really aggressive. Extremely aggressive. I mean, look at your 15-minute chart if you have a second on NQ and look at that candle. Oil's nuts right now. Let's see. What's CL doing? Oh, oil is out of control right now. It's probably going back to 100. It's probably going back to 100. Rotund got 5K in 10 minutes. Nice. Yeah, that was aggressive. Yeah, John Thomas, I'm right there with you. I'm right there with you. I took profits at 40. I took profits at 40. This is crashing hard right now. Do you guys see any like crazy news headlines? I saw somebody say war again. Yowza. All right. Yeah, I mean that's a huge move. That is a huge move. I mean, that's almost a 1% move in what, guys? In like 10 minutes. Oh, nice trade X, nice. All right, there's the rip. There's the rip. I would imagine probably make one more push back down into this area. And then you're probably going to see a retrace back towards 27K. Well, I'll say like 950-ish. It might even happen here. Wow. What a move. What a move. After all that, we sat through all this, guys, and then just instantly, almost like 250 points of downside. Oh my goodness, here we go. Oh, it's gonna be one of these nights, huh? Gonna be one of these nights. Missiles fired from Kuwait. All right, well, there's the move back to 27K. Oh my goodness, what? Everybody just clicking buttons. Everybody is just spamming buttons. Buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. Buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. Hop on, quick. I'm losing money, quick. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Yo. 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 What's oil doing now? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All the way back? Can we do it? Can we do it all the way? Can we make it all the way back, guys? Can we make it all the way back up? Oh, man. This is, it's all the, guys, it's back to where I took profits. It's all the way back to where I took profits. Spaces, I mean. Oh man. Oh no, yo Jim. That's awful. Jeff is, yeah, if you're just tuning into the charts right now. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's still all selling, guys. It's still really red on the delta. So, yikes. I mean, that is that's crazy. Barron just made 100 mil. I mean, how are we going to climb all the way back up? Wes, this is a good, easy trade, right? I don't know. I don't know. There's nothing easy about any of that. The scary thing is like, think about those shorts that were up there that didn't take profits on that yet. That just got snapped back on in, oh, let's see. This is a 1 minute chart. Got snapped back on that much in 2 minutes. And now you have, now you flipped on Delta. Back down to 900 maybe? Man, it's just sliding around. I mean, what are you guys doing here? Because I think I want to get into a short at this point. But we've kind of flipped on Delta. What kind of Asia opening is this? Oh, that's wild. That is a wild, wild move. All right, well, while I'm letting this, because I'm not going to operate around 27K, let's go ahead and do that third account giveaway. Mason, go ahead and open up that registration window. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. We'll enter you into the drawing. It is going to be another Lucid account. I'm not sure what size. Mason will let me know. He'll let me know whenever he decides on what size account it is. And exclamation point marbles to enter into the marbles race for the... Let's see, what... Oh, guys, this one is a 50K Pro account with Lucid. A 50K Pro account with Lucid is on the line. Winner of this marbles race will receive the 50K Pro, guys. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. We'll give you a couple minutes to get those registrations in. I can't believe what we're seeing tonight, guys. I can't believe it. To be fair, I don't know why I'm shocked. All right, are we actually going to retrace that whole move? I mean, I don't know. Guys, this thing could pump right back to 27.1 and just rebalance. I'll be honest with you. It could go right back up. They're like, ah, war, who cares? It'll just be one little flip of the button just to get another position long. On to 30K. Oh, it's funny. Kyle, the market seems to have war fatigue. I know, it's crazy. It's just crazy. You'll get these headlines that come across, right? There'll be that instant move, and then everything will just like rebalance really quickly. Honestly, I hope the move is down. Look at oil. I know everything's ridiculous right now. Literally everything is ridiculous. Oil has almost fully made the move back. Burb, how's the week been? The week's been okay. It's been busy. It's been a busy week. Like behind the scenes. As far as trading's concerned, I think I'm up like, I don't know, like 1.4K total on the week. I think. Maybe. I haven't added it up. I try to take it day by day these days. Meme coins. I know everything's trading like a meme coin right now. It's crazy. It's crazy. What's gold doing? Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. How about the Russell? The Russell, pretty much the same thing. YM. YM seems to be trading the cleanest right now of everything. Futures chart still? Yeah, I trade multiple accounts. So I've got 5 daily payout accounts. And then I've got 4. So wait, how many do I have? I've got 4 Lucid funded accounts. So 9 accounts total. And then my personal account. So 10 accounts total, technically. Martin Dow propaganda. I mean, look at the Dow, though. All right. 10 seconds, guys, and we're going to close down that registration window. Oh, Mason already did it. And we'll get that. We'll give him a minute or two. No, Yoshi. So I just stream during the Asia session. Most of my trading is done during New York session. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're climbing all the way back up. We're going all the way back up. I don't think anybody cares anymore about what's going on. I mean, they care for about 5 seconds. The thing that I was seeing earlier, guys, that I kind of want to point out. On the DOM here, these orders up here around 200 have been there for days upon days upon days. And I think this is an institutional target. So just be aware that we could actually still go higher up towards that 200 level. And we just flipped positive on Delta again. Oh, this is unbelievable. New highs incoming, guys. New highs incoming. Those are your orders, Murph? All right. Marhan, my 3 favorites right now. My 3 favorites currently, and I don't have an account with Tradeify right now, but Tradeify is in there as well, are Lucid, My Funded Futures, and Tradeify. Lucid, they're priced right. Lucid is just priced right for what you get, and there's an account for everybody. They don't have any daily payout accounts, but I'm sure that's coming at some point, just like every other firm. Payouts happen really, really quickly with Lucid as well. From time of request to the time funds hit your account happens within seconds. It's pretty easy to get to payout. My Funded Futures is the same as far as their payout is concerned. It happens really, really fast. You're not waiting days or weeks. It happens almost instantly. Tradeify, I haven't gotten a payout from yet, but looking at their structure and the way that they're set up is roughly in line with the other two as well. So as far as rules are concerned, they just offer so much. Those firms offer so much flexibility in your trading. And that's why I recommend them. Tradeify is pretty fast too, Botan. Yeah, I haven't gotten any payouts with Tradeify. I've only tried one evaluation with them. The reason why I've only tried one evaluation with them was because it was prior to their recent 3.0 launch, where they only were allowing Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, or TradingView to trade on. Now that they have Rhythmic availability and I'll be able to trade on Quantower, I'll probably pick up an account here soon with Tradeify and give them an honest look. Just can't burp. You get so you're passing evaluations, but then you getting funded and something flips. Right now, the biggest thing that I notice is people are just way over leveraged. You're trading too much size. You got right now, even 5 years down the line, know that my typical 20 to 25 point stop that I typically have on a Nasdaq when I'm trading minis is not enough. It's not enough room. So even I have had to go down to 1-2 micros. So slowing things down, even if it takes you a month to get to payout, that's still better than rifling through accounts, right? Like, even if it's only $1,000 payout at the end of the month, that's still better than rifling through accounts. And then when your account grows, you can kind of put a little more size on and put a little more risk on the table. But until, like, if you're starting out on those 25K, 50K accounts, trading anything more than 3 micros in the beginning of those accounts is just you're trading way too much. And with this volatility in the market these days, you're gonna get wrecked. Like, you're going to fail. It's going to take one news event like that to happen, and you not to have a stop in place to get absolutely rinsed. You know, they provide you with so much leverage that you can't. They provide you with more leverage than is needed. Like, there's zero reason why they should allow you to trade 4 minis on a 50K evaluation, right? And as your account grows, then you add a little bit more size when you can put on a little bit more risk. But that's the one thing that I notice with everybody who's struggling right now is they're just way over leveraged. Right? Yeah, you're going to have a trade where you make $1,000 or $2,000, right? But you're also going to have trades where you lose $1,000 or $2,000. And on those 25K, 50K accounts, that's doom. 2 bad trades and you're done. You're resetting. It's part of the business plan, blow the accounts. Yeah, I mean, I don't want you guys rifling through accounts. Like, I know that's how affiliates make their money or whatever is, you know. But that's what's on social media. You're seeing these guys trading 3, 4, 5 minis, you know, and hitting $10,000 trades and all that stuff. You can't trade like that. You simply can't trade like that. They, like I've said before, they have the benefit of having the free accounts. They have the benefit of having the affiliate money rolling in. Like, they just Pieter, no, I didn't pick one up yet, but that is a good plan. The My Fun of Futures builder plan is a good plan. The thing that I want to say on that is that most people that have overlooked it is you can only have one of those funded at a time. So there's no point in purchasing 5, 6, 7 builder plans at once and copy trading them. You can only have one of those accounts funded at a time. Now, you can have other account variations from My Fun of Futures, but you can only have one builder plan funded at a time. So I kind of want to put that out there. If you are picking up the builder plans, only one funded allowed at a time. But yeah, the rules are nice on that builder plan. And they're super cheap accounts too. Honestly, probably one of the best accounts out there right now. Cost to what you get. Oh, Burp, it's the same thing. So there's 2 different tiers. There's a $1,500 or $1,600 profit target account. That gives you, I think, $1,500 or $1,600 in drawdown. I can't remember. And then the other one is your normal $2,100 buffer. 3K target, I believe. But you can pass in a single day. Single day evaluation. All right, so let's see if Mason's got that race ready to go. He's got it all set up. All right, guys. Let's get this marbles race going. I completely forgot that we had it. Getting all set up. I got sidetracked. You guys got me sidetracked. All right, let me hide the chat box, background, and border real quick. All right. Mason, whenever you're ready, go ahead and drop those marbles. All right, we're off, guys. Good luck. This is for a 50K Pro Lucid account, guys. So spam those ones in the chat. That's a lot of marbles. All right, futures charts. You're out to the early lead. This map does produce some drama towards the end, so stay on the track, guys. Oh, no, Kevin. All right, Kevin. Kevin, getting out there early. Oh, no. All right. I thought you were falling off. All right, Kevin still got the lead. Still has the lead. Aeromech in second. Burp in third. All right, Kevin Mack maintaining. Getting through relatively clean. Oh, here we go. Oh, Aeromech. Aeromech now has the lead. Aeromech getting a little distance. Putting a little separation. Novatail catching up quickly, though. Oh, no. Here we go. Sovereignty, you're moving up. Sovereignty, you're moving up. We're on record pace, guys. We're on record pace on this track. We might have a new record on the track. Aeromech and Novatail. Aeromech and Novatail. There's Martin and Kevin Mack. Oh, here we go. Aeromech hitting all the speed bumps. Oh, here comes Novatail. Oh, Martin getting blocked. Oh, no. Well, we were on record pace, guys. Novatail currently has the lead. Oh, are we going to have a new record? We are really close. Novatech and Aeromech coming down the home stretch. Aeromech overtakes the lead now. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, who's it going to be? Novatail jumps everybody at the end, and Novatail takes it. Oh, my goodness. That is outrageous. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Wow, Novatail out of nowhere. Congratulations, Novatail. You are the winner of the 50K Pro Lucid evaluation. Wow, this turns into complete carnage. How did Martin, how did you get that hung up back there, brother? My goodness. Oh, no. Here comes the flames. Here comes the flames. Torched. Torched. All right, Novatail, congratulations. You are the winner of the 50K Pro account. Guys, that's number 3. We've got one more giveaway to do this evening. Oh, of course, DNF for me once again. What do you know? All right. Let's see. Have things kind of calmed down a little bit in the markets? Have we kind of calmed down? Jeez, we're back above where I exited my trade. Trade X, first marbles race. So one, just we say it makes your marble goes faster. It doesn't really do anything, to be 100% honest. It's kind of just something we do on stream. But it's for the chat. It's to raise the chat engagement. That's why we do it. T for keeps, you can't even finish a race. I know. I haven't seen many repeat winners, so that's a good, I mean, that's a good sign that we haven't really had a lot of repeat winners. One gives your marble water. Come on, sell back down. I like the downside action. Daz, you want? You were in the top 10 a few times, Straight X. Hey, your time's coming. I mean, after this one, we aren't gonna have any marbles races for a little bit, guys. This is the last free account we have to give away. So we aren't going to have any giveaways for a little bit. So the next race is it for a little while. So get your fun in now. Get your fun in now. Also, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. I'd appreciate it. All right, so back below 40, I don't hate the short idea. Back above like 65-ish, I don't hate the long. Futures chart. Do I copy trade? No, I trade all my accounts individually. And no, I don't really have a daily goal per account. My trading's fairly consistent. If I can make 2-3K on a day, I'm going to make 2-3K on a day. If I can make more than that, I'm going to make more than that. I generally, lately I've been averaging, I don't know, I'd say probably around 400 to 500 a day. Recently, over like the last month or so. Because I've had to size down. But prior to that, when I was trading mini contracts, prior to all the volatility coming into the markets and the war and all that, I was averaging, I don't know, probably about somewhere between 800 to 1200 a day. Real estate. How many accounts do I have? I've got, well, if you include my personal, I've got 10 total. I've got 10 total. My daily accounts, what I do with my daily payout accounts, I've got 5 of them, and I trade them each individually 1 day at a time. So, like, each of them will get a day out of the week. And then the other accounts, I just alternate days. How long did it take to get consistently profitable when I was starting? Burp, that's kind of like a... because that's going to be different than for everybody. When I started trading, it was a lot different. I started right after COVID. And the market was relatively easy. So I was able to be consistently profitable quicker than I think somebody that would have started over the last year that just started trading. Like, the market environment was different. For reference, the NQ was trading at 7,000. At 7,000 when I started trading. So it was kind of in this stretch where the majority of the days you were just waiting for a dip to buy. Everything was a V bottom to start the day. The majority, probably 80% of the time, and you could just sit in your trade for a while. So I was able to build an account relatively quickly. Someone that's starting right now, it's a lot more volatile, a lot more difficult. But I would say a year. 1 year. 1 year. But like I said, I was kind of fortunate to start trading when I did. I think if I had started in the last year, it wouldn't have been 1 year. It wasn't year. J-Rod, yeah, it's like, look, I'd rather blow one account if I'm going to get caught off sides in an account, or if I have a tilt day, for say, because that still happens, right? Like, I'm human. Yes, I am disciplined. Yes, I am patient. But I still have those days where I'm in my head and I'm angry. No, Burp, I would say don't give up. You know, like, if you like doing it, if you enjoy doing it, I would say don't give up. Let's hear him. Did someone fire the missiles? Why don't I copy trade? J-Rod, yeah, so that's the reason. The copy trading, oh, shoot. I don't even have the chat up anymore. All right, let's get the chat back up. There we go. All right. The copy trading thing for me is part psychological, I think. It's a lot easier to deal with getting rinsed on one account as opposed to 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. You know, there's zero reason to blow up 20 accounts at once. There's no reason to do it. I know you see it all the time on social media, but like I said, those people are in a different situation than all the rest of us. They just are. J-Rod, I mean, I have copy traded in the past. Sometimes two or three accounts, but you're just not as comfortable. You don't trade the same when you're doing it that way, right? You don't trade the same way that you normally trade. Sammy going through struggles. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully things turn around. Look, guys, how many of you have purchased 20 Apex accounts, right? Got them funded, paid the activation fees, and then rinsed those accounts without getting a single payout? And how did that feel? All right, one at a time. Yeah, I'm in the one at a time. Yeah, Martin, see? Yeah, 80K. 80K in one day. Like, just thinking about that number is enough for me. My biggest losing day was close to $13,000. Right? And that was spread out across 5 different accounts. But think about that. Had I been copy trading that day, that would have been a huge loss. A huge loss. Yes, the days where I have a $3,000 or $4,000 trade, if it's copy traded, could be a monster day as well on the flip side, right? But the thought of losing that much will force you to lock in profits so much quicker, you wouldn't be trading the exact same way. All of a sudden, you're taking profits way too quick. How many trades per day? Burp. Like, usually when I have a day like that, it's like 2 or 3. Sometimes it's one and done. Right? Like, if you have a really good... Like, today was one and done. I had 1 trade today. 1 trade today, all micros. Never more than 4 contracts on, and made $900. Burp, I've definitely taken 15, 20 trades in a day. I think the thing that tilts me more than anything isn't the losses. It's when you have 5 trades that are all break-even trades. You know, ones that run in profit. Oh, Dose, you on a 25K Lucid account, you have to trade micros. So I would be trading 1 or 2 MNQ at most. But yeah, I think the thing that tilts me the most isn't the losses. I think it's the amount of break-evens that I take. There's definitely a lot of times where I think I'm right on the position, and I'll get break-evened, I'll re-enter, and I'll get break-evened again, and I'll re-enter, and I'll get break-evened again, and then inevitably what will happen is after the very last time the market comes back to take my stop for that last break-even, then it will go. That's when I get tilted. Right, and that's when I start chasing. Dog of Wall Street, what caused the big drop in recovery tonight? Apparently there was news out of the Middle East. What's up, Chris? How are you? Futures charts show pretty quick. Usually pretty quick. If I'm only in like a 1 micro position, I'll let it breathe a little bit more. I'll move my stop after, say, 50 points or $100 of profit. If I'm only in a 1 micro position, I'll let it breathe. But if I have any kind of size on whatsoever, I usually go pretty quick. Yeah, switch. Go to MNQ. Gold. I mean, are you trading micro golds? Are you trading MGC? Those? Yeah, real estate, that's the sweet spot, really. I mean, you might be able... My rule of thumb that I've always told everybody is for every $1,000 of profit, that'll afford you the opportunity to add 1 more micro contract, right? I mean, that's the safe way to do it. Yoshi, I don't go anything lower than a 30-minute for my support and resistance. So my manually drawn levels are nothing lower than a 30-minute. And I'm looking for highs and lows. Obviously, these levels where we're at right now are just kind of estimates about where I think price could turn around. You know, based upon like fib extensions, pivots, all that kind of stuff. Because really, that's all we have to go on at all-time highs. But really, nothing lower than a 30-minute. And then in the mornings, I might do a little bit of minor tweaking based upon recent price action over the last couple days. And what happened overnight going into New York session, I might move levels around a little bit. But as far as like my movement of the major levels are concerned, it's all based on 30-minute and above. 30-minute, 1 hour daily. Holy cow, guys. Last time I looked at the subscriber count during this stream, we were at 8,384 subs. We have lost 10 subscribers during this stream in the last like 10 minutes. We have lost 10 subscribers. See, that's what the giveaways do. That right there is what the giveaways do. Oh, man. Some botting going on. You think it's bots? J-Love, were they the paid subs? No, YouTube doesn't have paid subs. YouTube doesn't have the paid subs. Yeah, I mean, that kind of stuff, that's why botting hurts people's channels. Because obviously YouTube's seeing a massive rise in your subscriber count and views and everything, and then they see it drop off. I remember streams in the past where we'd have like 120 new subscribers during the stream, and then right after the stream, we would lose like 70 or 80 of them. All right, we've kind of balanced out here a little bit across the board. ES has completely, I mean, it's right back where it came from. NQ is pretty close. Looks like we're starting to roll over a little bit, but I don't really trust it. Buyers have been so strong recently. Hey, what's up, Paul? How are ya? What happened? Well, apparently we had some news headlines out of the Middle East. All right, well. How do you recover from making a really stupid mistake like going on tilt and blowing an account? I usually go and work out. I've gotten pretty good, and I still have my lapses in judgment, right? But I've gotten pretty good about walking away and going and doing something else whenever I start to feel really angry or emotional. Diego. Yeah, Diego, if you weren't at the charts when that happened, it got wild quick. You know, my overall strategy for the most part, I mean, there's definitely entries that I kind of shy away from, but for the most part, I can kind of draw it here. What I ideally look for is bear flag, bull flag setups based around these higher time frame support and resistance levels. So, you know, breaks and retests, in other words, for the move up to the next level. Vice versa to the downside. Break, retest to the downside. Now, there's variations. Like, I look for wick and reclaims, kind of what you see down here, where you have the wick and the reclaim. What the heck just happened? Where you have a move like this, where you have that strong wick and then a quick snap back above the level. I would think about getting long from here. Obviously, this was super volatile, and I wasn't interested in that. But during normal market hours, where you're not having crazy volatility news headline-driven stuff, that's kind of something I would look for. Enter along here. Playing that move back up for part of the retrace. But quick, easy explanation. That's kind of my strategy. In its most simple form. Obviously, I'm looking at other things. I'm looking at order flow. You know, I'm looking at delta. I'm looking for signs of absorption and exhaustion. close to these levels to see what's happening. I'm looking at orders on the books via the DOM for confirmation. Yeah, Wonky, I'm kind of with you on that. I tell you what, guys. Let's go ahead and do that last marbles race. Let's let Mason get to bed. Let's do that last marbles race. This is the final account giveaway for a little while on the channel. So get your entries in, exclamation point marbles in the chat. I'm not sure what size account it is or what type of account it is. But go ahead and put exclamation point marbles in the chat to get your entries in. This is the final giveaway on the channel for a little bit. All right, it looks like we're doing a 50K Pro. 50K Pro Lucid account is on the line. Exclamation point marbles to enter into the chat. Go ahead and get your entries in, guys. I will give you a few minutes to give everybody the opportunity to get in on this one. Make sure you guys see the bot giving you the ad to the marbles race. My eyes are so watery. They're so watery. Also, guys, we are streaming on Kick and Twitch now. People have said the Kick stream is actually a lot more clear and not as much delay on. So if you haven't yet, give our channel a follow over there. We're trying to build up our community on those platforms as well. I would appreciate it. If you haven't hit the thumbs up button yet on YouTube, hit that thumbs up button for me if you could. Last account we have to give away, happening here in about a minute or so. So get your entries in if you want to participate. It is a 50K Lucid Pro on the line. TradeX, no, you don't see. There you are. I see you. You're in TradeX. Punia, type in exclamation point marbles. I'll leave it open for a few minutes, guys. Go ahead and get them in. We'll leave it open for a few minutes. We'll give you time. We'll give everybody time. I've taken profit. If you win, donate your account. I've taken profit. Okay. Are you sure? Final giveaway in forever history. Well, until future notice, this is the last account we have to give away. Rotund. Like the way I've told you guys before, the way the accounts work is using our code with the different props. It's all sales. It's based on the amount of sales you have with the props. It's not just ask and ye shall receive kind of deal. So it's all based on how many times your code is used at the props. So the guys who have hundreds of accounts, you know, they're banking on their affiliates. We don't have that. Gotta run marbles just for fun, Kyle. Just have marbles going every night. No longer a trading stream. It's just it's just a marbles on Steam stream. All of a sudden it's a gaming channel. No, that, honestly, Martin, that hopefully that's what that means. Mahmoud, I can use the accounts. I can use the free accounts, but I don't. I give them all away to you guys. I give every free account away. Does it count when you reset an account that you used on a coded purchase? So it depends on, so like when you use our code to purchase an account, the reset is handled different with each prop. I want to say Tradeify is a set $5 commission per reset. Like we don't get the full commission on any reset accounts. Lucid is nothing. So when you reset a Lucid failed evaluation or whatever and you used our code, we get nothing. There's no like commission at all when you reset. I don't know what it is on trade day. My funded futures, yes. So when you reset on my funded futures, it's a set percentage commission, I think. So it just depends on which prop it's with, really, how they handle resets. But like Tradeify is a flat $5. There's per reset, I think. And then Lucid is nothing on the resets. Yeah, if you guys are ever curious about like the affiliate structures and how they work and what's involved, you can always go on each of these props websites and click on the affiliates little portion, and it will show you the structure, how everything's set up. All right, guys, we're going to leave it open for one more minute just to make sure everybody's got theirs. And exclamation point marbles in the chat. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Kind of getting a nice little push here. I don't know. It might start ranging. All right, guys. 15 more seconds, and we're going to close down that registration window. All right, Mason, close down that window. All right, registration is now closed, guys. This will be the last giveaway that we have until next month sometime, probably. So, Mason, we'll give Mason a minute or two to get everything all set up to make sure everybody's in that's in. And then we'll do this marbles race. Dosed, it's my levels are based off of swing highs, swing lows on the higher time frames, where I've seen the market test on multiple occasions. A lot of times they'll line up with daily highs, daily lows, weekly highs, weekly lows. But I'm basically just looking for where the market has rejected and where it's bounced multiple times. And I'm marking those areas on my chart. All based on the higher time frames. Right now, obviously, we have volatility, so the wicks sometimes extend through levels, but I'm looking for multiple touch points, right? Served as resistance, formed support. Same thing down here. Served as resistance, formed support. Does that make sense? Unliked, unsubscribed, reliked, resubscribed. Burp, how do I feel comfortable knowing a pullback is done? Well, nobody knows with 100% certainty what's going to happen, right? Like, you look at a move like what happened last night. Or tonight. Tonight, not last night. Tonight. Like, nobody knew that we were going to sell off 250 points in 15 minutes, right? Roderick, was there news? Yeah, apparently something out of the Middle East. Baron knew. If anyone claims that they're lying. Yeah, I mean, I don't know with 100% certainty what's going to happen. I realize that some of you see my pre-market trading plans, and it probably looks like I know exactly what's going to happen every morning. I really don't know. I'm taking an educated guess, right? Just like everybody else. Somebody knew and they banked. Somebody always knows. Yeah, I mean, there is insider trading stuff. If there's a news headline coming out and somebody is privy to that kind of information and they know what's going to happen and has a broker on call so that they can immediately get into that position, yeah, of course. No, real estate. I only stream during Asia session currently. But I trade during New York session. I just don't stream during New York session. Nobody tunes into my streams when I stream during the regular trading hours. You know, a handful of people do. Trump said fire, then just kidding. Nancy knows. She always knows. Yeah, I mean, if you're privy to some backroom conversations and information, you know, obviously, that's one thing. I'm not privy to that information. All right. Does Mason have the race set up? That is the question. It looks like he's ready to go, guys. Last giveaway for the month of April coming up. Let me get this ready for you. Let me make sure that we've got everything all set up here. Let me get rid of the chat. Let me get rid of this. All right, guys. The final giveaway of April. Good luck, everybody. 50K Pro on the line. Mason, whenever you are ready, go ahead and drop those marbles. All right, Candle Apostle and Straw Hat Joyman out to the early lead. Let's see what happens here. Oh, look at Adve. Look at Adve putting on the speed, the rocket booster. Adve flying through the track right now. Getting a little slowed up here. Does that allow people to catch up is the question. All right, Catastrophe now has the lead. Golden Eagle, side by side. Adve has oh, we got a close one on our hands, guys. But if you recall, the end of this track is pure chaos typically. Golden Eagle just got clapped. Absolutely clapped. Oh no, Catastrophe. There goes Kyle. Look at Kyle go. Look at him go. Oh, Kyle. Kyle and JB. Down the home stretch. Here we go. Oh, is Kyle going to get yeeted or is he going to get through? Oh, he's getting completely stalled out. Oh, no way. No way. Botan. Botan. Oh, it's going to be. Who was it? Oh, Botan and JB with the photo finish. Botan, you are the winner of the 50K Lucid Pro account. Wow. 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 Unbelievable finish. That was actually a photo finish. I didn't know who was going to win. I had no idea who was going to win. Oh, congratulations, Botan. You're the winner of the 50K Lucid Pro account. The last free account that we have to give away. Congratulations. Wow. Oh my goodness. That last little pop-up is outrageous. Just when you think you're going to win. Hey, I finished. I finished, guys. I actually finished a race. All right, that's everybody. Botan, Mason will be in communication with you to get you that account. Congratulations. And that's the last free account we have to give away for a little bit, guys. Kind of a little bit sad. It's a little bit sad. All right, looks like we're pulling back into 27K now. I'm not sure what happens the rest of the night. I have a feeling what's going to happen tonight is probably going to be one of these things where we just kind of chop 27K slowly all night. You know, put in that expanding pattern around 27K is what I'm thinking. I guess we could put in a range here as well, above 27K. But I would eventually like to start seeing some sort of pullback. Silent edge trade. Yeah, anybody who's just now tuning back in, I feel bad because this move down was aggressive. And what's scary is I was short. I was short from where, guys? Up here just below 80. I was short from just below 80, and I had my TP set at 40 and missed all of this. Wild. Absolutely wild. All right, guys. Well, I'm probably going to call it there for tonight. I don't know. I think that's the move for the evening. I don't know that we're going to get anything too aggressive for the rest of the night. I'm not really interested in operating around 27K. That's the closest area of interest. Obviously, if we hold at 27K, we're probably bouncing back up towards 27.1 is what I would assume. You know, holding above all this. Probably bouncing back up towards 27.1 and maybe continuing on to 27.2. Back below 27K, back to 900 seems reasonable. You'll have to watch this 960, 950 area. But thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I appreciate you guys showing up each and every night. I'm not going to be live streaming again because we got a lot of stuff to work on the back end over the next couple days. I won't be live streaming again until Sunday night. I'll be live Sunday night beginning at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. It means the world that you're here. If you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Continue to trade safe, size down, stay patient, keep those accounts alive. Enjoy the rest of your week. I will obviously be in touch in Discord. If you guys aren't a member of our Discord yet, it's called Level Up. There's a link in the description down below the video. Or you can type !Discord in the chat, and that will generate a link for you. I will see you all Sunday night. Enjoy the rest of your week. Have a good weekend. And until next time, peace.